To contact Lyft driver support, start by opening the Lyft app on your mobile device. Navigate to the main menu, which is usually represented by 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen. Tap on this menu to access the various options available. From the menu, select Help, which will take you to the Lyft support page. On this page, you will find a list of common issues and topics, such as earnings, ratings, and safety. Browse through these topics to see if your issue is addressed. If you cannot find the answer to your question, tap on Contact Us at the top right corner of the screen. This will prompt you to choose the type of issue you are experiencing, such as a missing item, a trip issue, or a general question. Select the category that best fits your issue and follow the prompts to provide more details. You will then be given the option to call or message Lyft support. If you choose to call, you will be connected with a support representative who can assist you with your issue. If you choose to message, you will be able to type out your question or concern and receive a response from a support representative. When contacting Lyft driver support, be sure to have all relevant information available, such as your trip details or any error messages you have received. This will help the support representative to quickly and efficiently assist you with your issue. Additionally, be respectful and clear when communicating with the support representative. Provide as much detail as possible about your issue, and avoid being confrontational or aggressive. This will help to ensure that your issue is resolved in a timely and satisfactory manner. It is also a good idea to check the Lyft website or blog for updates on known issues or maintenance before contacting support. This can help you to avoid waiting on hold or messaging with a representative if the issue is already being addressed. By following these steps and best practices, you should be able to quickly and easily contact Lyft driver support and get the help you need to resolve your issue.